In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly find and apply a promo code for Ticketmaster using Google and a handy website called Coupon Follow. If you're someone who loves attending concerts or events but could do with saving a bit of extra cash, then this guide is just for you. We're going to keep things simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Google homepage. Now, I know Google is often the starting point for any kind of online quest, and today is no exception. Once you're there in the search bar, type in Ticketmaster promo code and hit enter. This search query will lead us straight to what we need. Once you've conducted the search, you'll see a list of results. What we're looking for is a specific link that says Ticketmaster promo code. Go ahead and click on that link to proceed. This page is going to give you an overview of various promotional offers available for Ticketmaster. On the page, you'll notice a link to a site called Coupon Follow. Click on it and you'll be redirected to Coupon Follow's Ticketmaster page. Coupon Follow is a website that aggregates and shares coupon codes from various retailers, sometimes offering exclusive deals you won't find elsewhere. It's a trusted resource for many savvy shoppers out there. Now that you're on the Coupon Follow page, you want to look for a section labelled Ticketmaster Coupon Codes. Click on this section to reveal a list of available coupons. These codes can offer a percentage off your purchase, free shipping or other exclusive deals. Look through the list carefully and find the code that offers a discount you're excited about. In this case, we're interested in the one that offers 20% off. Once you find it, click on that offer. Look carefully at the instructions or conditions if there are any, as occasionally there might be specific terms such as minimum purchase requirements or applicable events. After clicking on the offer, you'll see an option to copy and paste this code at Ticketmaster.com. Click on the copy button, which will save the code to your clipboard, ready to use when you make your purchase on Ticketmaster. And there you have it, you have successfully found a promo code for Ticketmaster. Next time you're buying tickets, simply go to Ticketmaster's checkout page, paste the copied code into the appropriate field, and watch the savings roll in. This simple process can make your ticket buying experience more affordable, leaving a bit more room in your budget for more events or maybe even a souvenir. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy your next event at a discounted price.